international terminal. Airport outfits, matching navy blue trooper set, white sneakers. Thank you very much. Thank you. I think we need to leave in like 15 minutes. But again. So if you're new here, I used to be a flight attendant and I travelled with a Samsonite like 7 years, and that's in addition to any other travel that happened before I was a flight attendant. It was always Samsonite. This trip, we're celebrating Samsonite. It feels like a very full circle moment. You know how much I carried around the Samsonite and seeing what those suitcases go through and like what you start to care about when you're traveling so often. Yes, of course you care about durability, but you start to care about things like shape, how it holds wear and tear, like how are the wheels, how does it roll. You also start to care about, like, you know, when scratches happen, scratches and scuffs, you start to think, does this stay on my suitcase? Like, how long will my suitcase stay neat for? Got it. We're on the 18th floor here at the JW Marriott in Singapore. Brian will be here. Yay, you!
Yeah, me.
We were gonna go work downstairs. Now we're just walking. Pool table. So what's here? Oh, get out! It's a foosball table too. We have great views. So this is the other side of the pool. Oh, that is. Are you joking me? Smart casual outfit for an important meet and greet at Lavo Marina Bay Sands. Beige crochet t-shirt, beige wide leg denim jeans, skin tone heel, mini red leather bag, tortoiseshell Celine sunglasses, which are my brother's, not mine. Mid-size hoop earring, mid-length gold chain, gold bracelet, ring with black stone.
For 5 people, you
Yes.
may proceed the lift to level 57.
I know.
Hello, welcome. How are you?
Very
Good
well,
afternoon.
thank you. We're here to meet some friends for lunch.
Nice week.
Oh, thank you.
So stunning.
We go heavy on the cheeks.
Three of
Yeah, it's just too good. Bon appetit.
Yes, we have a
Beautiful. So this is what we've received. And then we can just, this is the strap. Timeless, iconic, chic. Just like the dress code for tomorrow. We've just discovered that it's personalized. So this one's Brian's. And yeah, personalization is where it's at. Pre-dinner vibes, Brian's ready. I will nearly be ready. I will be ready. Group dinner at Brasserie Astoria. 2-piece brown coupe set. This is a midi skirt, mini red leather bag, mid-size hoop earring, bracelet, gold ring, gold sparkly mule. Thank you. Anywhere?
Always play music.
Yeah, true. Good idea. A dirty vodka martini.
How dirty do you want to be?
Like, just dirty, not filthy. Yes, thank you. What does a dress code, timeless, iconic, chic, look like as a fancy evening event outfit? Let's go to Destination Samsonite and I'll show you. This is the mini bustier mini dress in cobalt blue. So this is just the dress on its own, but watch it transform. This is timeless, maybe. You know what's gonna make it timeless? Boom. Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna rethink myself. I'm gonna gather myself. Oh my gosh, I love this outfit. This outfit has been nailed. It has been nailed to the max. Oh, I can't handle it. Let's go. Off we go. I think we are actually early tonight. Yes. Yeah, for once. Look how cool this is. It's all the chakra colors. Sideways rain. Thank you. Cool, absolutely.
Thank
You want to be in the vlog? We'll pop you in the vlog.
Singapore.
Hey, how are you? Okay, and if you just I lost myself as well. We voyaged through time a bit too fast. That is the suitcase that I'm pretty sure that was the one. Grey.
Grey.
Yeah, so I used to be a flight attendant. Can I tell you something? This is the suitcase that I was talking about the other day. Yes, that is exactly the one that I've been carrying.
I love
Yes.
You,
Christine. Nice to meet you.
You look super chic.
You look unreal.
Oh my god.
It's your favorite.
I'm a classic. I actually like the trunks.
The trunk. Oh,
Yeah,
of course,
I think
yeah.
that's a look.
Yeah, it is a look.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a tumble.
Crank?
Yes.
You want
I'll
to
give it a
restore?
crank.
Okay, so
100%.
I'll just get it started.
Okay, why is it heavy?
Just a little bit.
I'll get my muscles involved.
Watch out.
I feel like I'm in the wrong way.
Here has the suspension wheels over there, so perfect for European travel over those little bumps.
Okay.
Wherein you can see the vibrations are all absorbed in the suspension and not your actual wrist.
Oh.
So if you've ever done a long trip with your suitcases
Yes.
in Europe, that's the ideal.
This is the one. It's a test. This one has suspension. This one has no suspension. And I'll verbally tell you how it feels. Very different. This one is jolty. This one is smooth.
Really does make a big difference.
It does make a difference. That's unreal.
And then just gave it a modern twist with the wheel. It's divine. And then that beautiful interior there. Major Light collection. Oh no,
Yeah.
having a father with his shotgun and of course, the variety of different colours and patterns that we brought in. So,
And honestly, what a journey.
That's
That's amazing. Okay, so let me confirm my understanding here. We started off with suitcases like this without wheels, beautiful, a little bit hard on the arms, and then they're like super hard when and then they're like, let's add a couple of wheels in there. I did this one, and then they're like, it doesn't have to be that light, but now they're like, what if we did light and with wheels? Upstairs. I hear lots of cool things are happening upstairs. No, we loved it from the get-go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, eyes straight to that one. What's that? Who made that? Oh, great. Wow, that was quick. Thank you very much. Beautiful, thank you.
Your first time in
Singapore? No, I've been here a number of times in the past. I love it, it's the best. Singapore is one of my favorites. Mine is called Pizza.
Pizza. Oh my
That's
God,
my airdrop name.
Okay, hold on. Let me try.
Everybody loves pizza.
Yes, I agree.
You know this song? It's Smooth Criminal. Hey, Peter. Christine, nice to meet you. I'm a huge fan. I love your work so much. Filipino also.
Oh, you are?
I am.
Close to us. Where are you from?
Filipino.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, from Australia. Tried and true vodka, plantation white rum, tequila. Welcome to Atlas. I think it's time for jackets off. Hey, Bri, do you like anchovies? Yeah, this is anchovies. Hey fashion people, do you want to be fashionable all round and around and around and around and around? Oh my gosh, oops. Samsonite c-lite. It's made of the same material as bulletproof vests. See you in the next video. Just kidding, there's more. Rolls like butter. Butter. Rolls like butter. Ew, rolls like butter. Butter. Oh, we can't get out here. People think that red is such a picky color, but it's kind of like your red lipstick. It goes with everything. It works perfectly with your capsule wardrobe. Lock. That's on the cabin bag, by the way. It's super light. It's just, I just come with a lot of baggage. Get the real weight. Woo. Beige denim jeans, navy blue sweater, navy crop, blue blazer, white sneakers. I'm gonna clean this up. Undies, red leather handbag, paddleboard. It's so light I can carry with my pinky. It's either really light or I have a really strong pinky. They even said I can jump on it. Do you reckon I should do it? I've got stuff in there. 2
Let's go. Okay, now. Oh my gosh!
While the bath is running, I think we should do a tour. I have not stayed here at the JW Marriott in Singapore, but I've been here now for, I think, 3 nights, and I love it. I really, really love it. I love the breakfast. If you're looking for a place to stay in Singapore, highly rated. This time, I changed my room to a king bed, but when Brian was here, we had 2 double beds, I think. And then we didn't have a bath, but this one does. And here's a standout feature that I really like, a jewelry stand. I do pack jewelry on trips, you know, and also the amount of mirrors. You know, sometimes there are hotels where you don't get a lot of mirrors. This literally has mirrors everywhere. There's the bath, there's another mirror. And also the toilet. Actually, since I've been, I don't know if you saw my story the other day, but the room that we were in had an automatic, like, it just opened itself every time. I don't think this one does it. No? Okay, it's not doing it. But the toilet, maybe it does. But it does. I have this fascination of toilets when they do more things than just be a toilet. But the heat, this stays warm, and it's got this, you know. Tell me you don't get that fascinated over toilets all the time. So yeah, this is the king. No, hang on. I think it's the deluxe, and it's quite sizable. I don't know how many square meters, but it's just got, it's like so good to get ready in. These curtains, okay, watch this. These curtains, if you touch them and you start kind of like opening them, they're automatic. I feel like, how come it's not doing it every time I do it? And be like, Christine, no, they're not. They're not automatic. That's what they were doing in the last room. Now is not the time, guys. Now is not the time. Come on. I'm not pushing it too hard. Really? Okay. Then, well, that's not going to happen. And then this is the view from here, the 4th floor, which is quite a different view. Oh, hi, guys. These are neighbours. Those are the other floors. Yeah, so we had a different view last time. But honestly, the restaurant and the buffets is a standout. It's a standout. It's like endless options. I'm going to post photos here. I haven't, yeah, it's just like, I love hotel breakfasts, but especially ones where there are so many options. You can actually be here and have such a nice quality local breakfast without leaving the hotel. I know that sounds sad to some people, but it's not sad to me, because when I'm on a work trip, sometimes I don't leave the hotel that much until the work is done. So that's like really very handy. Oh, I think the bath is ready. So adios for now. The best meeting with the coolest, funniest person who I think I might end up, I have a feeling we're gonna have a long-term relationship. It was literally like she would be one of our girls, like laughing. It's just the best. And I just wanted to document this because I am in Singapore, and to think that what I'm here for is work, and I've just had the best time. We had like a couple of wines, and now I'm about to meet my brother. We're at a place called the Editor's Market. We just discovered it randomly. One of the girls from my editing team, she's coming here to Singapore next week, and I'm Babe Ikang. I'm picking things for you and for anyone else who is interested in some capsule wardrobe pieces. This is 35 Singaporean dollars, 75 Singaporean dollars. Look at this. I think that's about the same price. I think that's got pockets too. Let's do some trying on. Picky on the bust area, so. Yay. There is a shower, and earlier the lady, like, there's this little thing that you bring because it was full.
So I had to wait 30 minutes, and it had been more than 30 minutes, and I was like, oh, I haven't heard it beep. So I came to see her, and she's like, oh, I've been beeping you for a bit, but you must have gone far. She was right. Also, fun fact, when you do the showers, so luckily there was a comb here. It's fully equipped, shampoo and what is it? But like shower soap, moisturizer. I didn't actually know it was in the showers because I've never showered in the airport before. Blow dryer. All right, well, I better go. Thank you.
Any wine for you today? I'm good, thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm now in Brisbane wearing the same thing on the way to dinner. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. If you like this video, give it a like. If you have any comments or questions, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below. See you in the next one. Bye.